Okay, bye. Pallavi Nair attending Super Challenge Tested. This is Satra Plaza building. This building is Satra Plaza. Stop. अभी आप देखती रहो यहाँ खोपरी सिग्नल से यू टर्न करके यहाँ से यू टर्न करके करा जाओ. बाय पल्लवी. टेक यू टर्न फ्रॉम खोपरी सिग्नल. Palm Beach Galleria. Pallavi Nair. You take U-turn. 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 Pallavi Nair. U-turn. U-turn. Pradeep Nair. हरी नहीं करना. स्टॉप कर. चेंज ऑफ बाइक्स. चेंज ऑफ बाइक्स. चेंज ऑफ बाइक्स. चेंज ऑफ बाइक्स. पल्लवी यू गो फॉर पल्सर. प्रदीप नायर यू गो फॉर होंडा एक्टिवा. चेंज ऑफ बाइक्स. Excellent, proper, super. Now change of bikes. Pallavi Nair has come to Pulsar. Pradeep has come to Honda Activa. U-turn and stop. Pradeep Nair, U-turn and stop. Stop, 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 stop. Very good, excellent. Stop, stop, stop. Mask, mask. Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Your sound should be जय प्रकाश नारायण तक जाने चाहिए ना. कहीं जय प्रकाश नायर तक जाना चाहिए. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What is your good name?
Pradeep Kumar.
Okay. What is the lovely day of class?
7th day, 7th class.
7th day, 7th challenge test. Starting morning से अभी तक हो क्या क्या किया नॉन स्टॉप पैरावाज एक्सप्लेन करते जाओ.
I started from my society in Honda. In Honda Scooty. I came through that Morat signal, Palm Beach Road. Then I came up to Palm Beach Galleria, and then I shifted my scooty and I took the bike. And in the bike, sir gave me challenge today to have four rounds to St. Lawrence, take a U-turn and come back. But I did
In
total.
between St. Lawrence to Kopri Signal,
Yeah,
Satra
but-
Plaza, Palm Beach Gallery, all.
But today I did 8 rounds.
Very
That
good.
is 4 rounds. What I did is I took my bike from Palm Beach Galleria via petrol pump, APMC, St. Lawrence Signal, took a U-turn back to Kopri Signal and again took a U-turn. So this way I did 4 rounds. And the 5th round I went, instead of taking a U-turn from Kopri Signal, I went straight away to Citibank Signal. I took a U-turn and came back to Kopri Signal. That way I did 2 rounds. And then again I started from Palm Beach Galleria.
Excellent.
In the St. Lawrence Signal, I took a left turn and went inside the APMC market.
Super.
And APMC market, I entered the APMC market from the back side and came out through the front side and took a left turn towards the Masco market, towards the Masala market.
Excellent.
And then I took a left turn and then in front in front of the signal,
Excellent.
I took a right turn in that Canara Bank
Excellent.
and that police station.
Super.
From there I went straight away and took a left turn through the petrol pump and
Excellent.
then again left turn to this Palm Beach Galleria.
Super.
And then I again changed my bike and handed it over to Pallavi and I took the
Excellent.
scooty.
Excellent.
And that scooty I did U-turn, short U-turn through that
Kopri Signal to Satra Plaza.
Palm Beach Galleria, Satra
To
Plaza,
Satra Plaza
to
and
Kopri
Kopri
Signal and back. So I
Okay.
did 2 rounds of that.
These are all you are doing. Every time Master Swami is backside of your seat.
No,
Your bro Jaiprakash Nair,
no,
Prasheen,
no,
or anybody else,
no,
or Pallavi Nair.
no. I did independently.
Excellent, super. How is today? Super challenge test rides of Master Swami.
Great.
What is the result of Master to Master Miracle course on bike?
Excellent.
How you feel?
Yeah, definitely the confidence in me has grown.
Yes.
Okay, day by day it has grown.
Yes.
And,
Now you say, is there any problem about your hand to drive?
no.
Yes, that is the main target.
Yeah.
Your Jai Prakash Nair has said, Master, my brother can drive bike. I will show.
Definitely.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
Wish you best of luck. God bless you. Happy journey. Today
you.
looks King of Pulsar 135 bike LS model as well as Honda Activa in traffic. APM's Market Road, Palm Beach, Kopri Signal, tough traffic roads successfully completed. What is the day of class?
Seventh day,
Seventh
challenge.
super challenge tested. Successfully passed. You got 100 superstars. Looks King of bike and Honda Activa. Keep it up. God bless you. Master bless you. Happy journey.
Thank you.
Today I am giving special award from Master Swami. Best driving school Vashi, Navi Mumbai. You can take any two-wheeler language, non-gear throughout India. This is award from Master Swami after successfully completion of all testers independently.
Okay.
God bless you. Master bless you. Happy
Thank
journey.
you.
Take care.
Yeah.
Today onwards, wherever you want, you can go with pleasure. Take address and plan it and go and come back. You should have to follow all the rules,
Yeah.
traffic rules, RTO rules, law and order, as well as Master Swami tips, techniques while driving for safety driving.
Definitely.
Are you happy?
Yes,
Wish you best of luck. God bless
Yeah.
you. Happy journey.
Thank you.
One word, King of bike on road. King of Honda Activa on road. You got 100 superstars, 100 to 100 marks. Keep it up. God bless you. Master bless you. Happy journey. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
One word or two words or sentence in Malayalam. How is Master Swami training system, best driving classes, Vashi, Navi Mumbai?
Very excellent.
Okay. Are you happy?
Yes.
Bye. Yes. Now you say, what is your good name?
Pallavi Nair,
Where you are residing?
Hare Krishna Sanpada,
Very good. What is the lovely day of class on bike?
16.
16th day, 16th super challenge tested. You remove them. Mask. total. Better advice. Now you say, how is Master Swami training system, best driving classes, Vashi, Navi Mumbai for bike rides?
Very good.
Did you expected? Can I change on the spot? Bike to Honda Activa to bike
No, sir.
Pallavi Nair to Pradeep Nair to Pallavi Nair. Change of Honda Activa
No,
to bike.
sir.
How is the traffic? Huge
Sir.
traffic, heavy traffic, in which you have completed. God bless you, Master bless you, happy journey. Now you got 100 superstars, 100 to 100 marks. Looks one word, queen of Pulsar bike on tough traffic road as well as Honda Activa. In fraction of second on road, immediately I switched
Yes, sir.
both the bikes changed. Immediately you drive bike also, immediately you drive a Honda Activa.
Yeah.
Is it correct? So today onwards, you can take any bike, any Honda Activa or non-gear vehicle or any bike throughout India. This is award from Master Swami after successful of all tested independently. God bless you, Master bless you, happy journey. You got 100 superstars, 100 to 100 marks. Award from Master Swami. Best driving school, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. You can use any bike, any vehicle throughout India today onwards,
Yes, sir.
24 hours. You should follow all auto rules, law and order, traffic rules,
Yes,
as
sir.
well as Master Swami techniques, tips,
Yes, sir.
how to safe driving.
Yes,
How is the
sir.
result of Master to Master Miracle course?
Very good.
Are you happy? Wish you best of luck. God bless you. Happy journey.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir.
Bye. अभी वापस हूँ. आप बाइक में आ जाओ. हाँ, वो गाड़ी में आ जाओ. हाँ. वापस प्रदीप वो गाड़ी में आ जाओ. Change of vehicle. Now I am giving permission to take from here to take turn and go back to home. Start from here to take U-turn from Popri Signal, Satra Plaza, City Bank, in orbit to go home, Moraj. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Excellent. Super.